In today's session, we are going to find the root of the quadratic equation by completing the square method. Hi, I'm Syed. Welcome to my channel Educate with Syed. Let's get started. The question is find the roots of the quadratic equation 2x square plus x minus 4 is equals to 0 if they exist by the method of completing the squares. If you want to use the method of completing the square, you have to express the quadratic equation in the form of x plus a whole square minus of b square is equals to 0. So let's see how to express the given quadratic equation in the form of x plus a whole square minus b square is equals to 0. Given the quadratic equation 2x square plus x minus 4 is equals to 0. Our first step will be to see whether the coefficient of this x square is 1 or not. So here the coefficient of x square is 2, therefore make it as 1. How? Divide the entire equation by 2. So this becomes 2x square plus x minus of 4 is equals to 0. That is divided by 2. Left hand side as well as right hand side, 0 by 2 will be 0 itself. Now we can divide individually each of the term by 2. 2x square by 2 plus x by 2 minus 4 by 2 is equals to 0. So you can just cancel out this one. 2 ones are 2 ones are. Here 2 ones are 2 twos are 4. Therefore we will be getting the equation as x square plus it is x by 2 minus of 2 is equals to 0. Now this quadratic equation which is there has to be expressed in the form of either a plus b whole square, which can be written in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square form, or a minus of b whole square, which is nothing but a square minus 2ab plus b square. We need to check which form it is. Over here, because you are having positive sign over here, I will be using this particular formula. So let us see what happens over here. I am using the formula over here. So therefore a value, the first value is, I am trying to take this right hand side value. Here what is the value of a we have? The value of a is x, so it is x square plus 2 into a value is x into remaining what should be the value of b here. X by 2 is already there, so x is already taken there, so 1 by 2 will be left out there. 1 by 2 will be left out, but this 2 is additional which is not there here in the numerator, because this is the additional thing that we have multiplied. So since you have multiplied, I have to divide that by 2. So now we have expressed in the form of minus 2a, a is x, b value will be this one, 1 by 2 into 2 plus b square. So here what is the value of b we have got? B value is this. What is this value? Equals to 1 by 2 times of 2 will be 4. So this represents your value of b. So next term is b square. Therefore b square will be what? 1 by 4, and it is squared. So we have got this expression. But this term plus 1 by 4 whole square is not there over here in the equation. Therefore we need to subtract this 1 by 4 whole square. So let us write down over here x square, that is a square plus 2 into a, it is x, into b. B value is 1 by 2 times of 2 will be 4. A square plus 2ab plus b square. B value is what? 1 by 4. So it is 1 by 4 whole square. A square plus 2ab plus b square. But this is additional thing which is not there in the question I have added. So therefore I need to subtract the same, minus 1 by 4 whole square. And the last term that is left out over here is minus of 2 is equals to 0. Now let us try to simplify this one. If I just try to group this one, a square plus 2ab plus b square form, is it not in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square form, which can be written in the form of a plus b whole square? So here the value of a will be your x value, and the value of b right? This value will be your b value. So let us write down, it is a plus b whole square. A value is x plus b value is 1 by 4. A plus b whole square. So you got a plus b whole square. Remaining terms over here minus 1 by 4 square will be 16 minus of 2 is equals to how much? Is equals to 0. Let us further simplify this one. You have got x plus 1 by 4 whole square. Let us try to simplify this one. What do you have? Minus 1 by 16 minus 2. Or can I write that as 2 by 1 just to take the LCM? Is it not 16 as the LCM? If 16 is the LCM, let us try to see. 16 1s are 16 it is. Here 1 16s are 16. Let us try to multiply the numerator. 1 1s are 1 with a negative sign, minus 1. Again you are having negative. Then you just multiply. 16 times of 2 will be 32. So therefore now we will try to simplify this one, which will be equals to minus of how much it is? 33 divided by how much? Divided by 16. So that's the value you will be getting over here. So let us write down the value over here. It is minus 33 by 16 is equals to how much? Is equals to 0. Let us further simplify this one. It is x plus 1 by 4 whole square minus of. Now this I have to express in the form of whole square. 33 is not a perfect square, therefore write as root 33. 16 can be written as 4 square. So can I write this as 4 whole square? So that 4 square will give you 16. Root of 33 square will give you 33. Is equals to how much? Is equals to 0. Or let us take this negative sign on the other side. It becomes x plus 1 by 4 whole square is equals to. So this negative will become positive. You will get root of 33 by 4 whole square. So let us just try to cancel out this square values over here. So if you are taking x plus 1 by 4 will be equals to. So square goes on the other side, becomes plus or minus square root of root 33 by 4 whole square. So we see that square and root will cancel out. You will just be left out with plus or minus root 33 by 4. But I need to get the value of x. So therefore we can write x to be equals to plus or minus root 33 divided by 4. Plus 1 by 4 goes on the other side, it becomes minus 1 by 4. Or further if you try to simplify this one, plus or minus, you are getting the value to be equals to 4. Take this as root 33 minus of 1. Because the LCM is common, you can just add the or add or subtract the numerator value. So that is the value of x we have. So the first root that you are getting is plus root 33 minus of 1 divided by 4, and the second root that you are getting is x is equals to minus of root 33 minus of 1 divided by 4. So one positive value we are taking, another negative value. So these are our roots of the quadratic equation. And that's the required solution. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. That's all I have for today. Thank you.